motivation that you're getting after the coronavirus pandemic period. So that is also a positive outcome. And another thing is that there will be option, just like what we are doing right now. There will be an option for having a virtual meetings with employees, your students or your friends in a virtual media platform like Zoom, Skype, Gtalk, so what Google Meet, and all that things, that platform that you can use for interacting with your society. So that is the another option that we are getting during this time period. So move the next need, SC need. So if you are fortunate enough to have a basic safety and social media during this time, so you have a certain things that you have to be adversely affected during the SC needs. So I'll just show you this during this time. These types of need are not be able to meet because many of members our culture are focused on meeting the basics. So esteem needs are, we are not focusing on the esteem needs and self-actualization. We are just focusing only our first three needs: physiological needs, security needs, and social needs. So you are you have to be at home and you have to be the part of the society. You should obey the rules and regulations of that government and all that things are given. So esteem needs are giving less important. That's what we are seeing in the first diagram. Also, self-esteem needs and self-actualization, what we are giving limited importance during this time period. So, what we can do in this situation, you can give some sort of encouragement and support to the people. That is also part of esteem needs. That is also some part of esteem needs. And have effort at surviving pandemic. So you can give some support to the surviving pandemic. That is the one thing that you can do. And another one, giving feedback to others that are struggling to meet the basic needs. So they can give some sort of support to the people, those who are suffering. They can give some sort of support to the people, those who are actually suffering due to the coronavirus pandemic. So this is the another thing that you can do. And another one, meet your esteem needs through others, achievement, especially your children. So that is the another thing that we are saying, and a human can only meet these things higher orders through their own community. So that is the thing that you have to be avoided. So basing your happenings on your own children and puts too much pressure on them. So don't put too much pressure on them because they are also not going anywhere. They're just sitting home. So you should be very careful to your children while during the time of this coronavirus pandemic. So before there'll be a cordial relationship between boss and his colleagues, and there'll be appreciation from the part of the boss. So regular meetings are there, but after this one, it will be completely changing, and it should be compromising. It should be changing it will be changing very well. So this is one of the problems that we are seeing right now. So for that one, need of the hour to tackle the issue to implement a digital rewards and recognition platform. So of course, a digital rewards and recognition platform. So a lot of online courses are there. Online courses are there. So you should go to this particular one. We have a lot of platforms like a lot of open courses, a lot of open universities. They have started their online courses. Like even I was going through some of the courses, even around 60 courses I have completed via online platforms. Digital rewards and recognition certification platforms are there. You can do things like that. So even Amity has given some courses free of cost. Then FutureLearn, there is a platform that they are giving some courses, and some online platform like LinkedIn and all, they have free online courses. So that is one of the important things that you can do during this particular situation. So this is the self-actualization needs. According to Maslow, needs occurs when all needs are being met satisfied fully. So in this current crisis, most of the nations are facing right now, majority of the people are not able to focus these higher order needs. So you are there in this coronavirus pandemic situation, and there will be a problem for meeting the higher order needs. So that is one of the things that we are seeing during the coronavirus pandemic situation. So be creative about how you can give back to the end and help others, those who are struggling. So those who are struggling, those who are really struggling about the situation, you can give support and assistance to the people, and how we can make back to our society. That is an important thing, assuming that all others are able to focus on their creative at this time. So you are very much aware about what society is facing and what we can do to get back the society into the real life situation. So Maslow hierarchy of needs is one theory, many theories of human motivation. Some crises are questioned. So whenever some crises are questions, so that is this theory has a relevance and application for this this particular situation. So that is the another thing that we are seeing. And before and after, we are comparing the before and after situation. Self-actualization needs were generally managed by self, but in a conducive work environment. So self-actualization is managed by in a particular situation, but the work environment is a conducive one. But what you are seeing is after that one, leverage infrastructure facilities and communication facilities, even the road transport and all that things are little bit affected due to the coronavirus pandemic. And most of the places in India, the transport facility is not working. So there will be a problem of reaching your particular destination or a company or wherever it is. So that is the one of the factors what we are seeing right now. And another one, self-actualization, you can make a solution like support for online learning for the work that people, those who are residing in a remote area. Even in case of students, we can have some things like this. So that will be very useful for making this is in a successful manner. So I'll just show you some of the slides regarding the meeting the needs of us kids during the coronavirus pandemic situation. And this is one of the pyramid during the physiological needs. And these are the educators that we can do something like this. Getting the food, things for making
Hello, one technical issue on the side of resource person. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Vinod sir. Okay, Vinod sir is coming. This is only a technical issue. Hello, Vinod sir.
Yes. Is it okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay. So there will be a problem on the part of the entire family members, and they are suffering a role. So that is why you should give some sort of financial support and assistance for the entire family to recovering from this particular coronavirus pandemic situation. So you can give support to the entire family members, and also at the same time you can give support to the. So that is the thing that is, as a children, school children, and even they'll be part of the community and society welfare activities. So the second one, in case of a coronavirus pandemic situation, in case of college and school students, they ensure about the safety at their homes. So they should be there in their homes. They can engage the activities that you can do in your homes, and all counselors, administrators, and they are all educated about the science. Even most of the states, what we are seeing that on June 1st onward, they are planning to start online classes. So we can do things like that. You can have online classes, and you can give communication to the students via online platforms. That is one of the things that we can do right now. And encourage the students to get feedback and teach them to make it in a systematic. So this is the thing that we can do right now in case of a online safety needs for the welfare and protection of the students. So another thing that we are seeing is in case of parents, they are a problem because most of their kids are there in the home, so they have they are creating some problems in their home also. So they are more focusing on came to understand the things in a virtually learning platform. So we can use some type of ICT technologies and all that things and make the students more convinced. So a lot of platforms like Byju's and all that things are there. So you can use any one of the platforms and make the students convinced, and they are very active during this particular lockdown day. So this is the thing that we can do during the lockdown days. So that is another thing that we're seeing. And family, friends, and neighbors, there will be things like what we are seeing is the family members are not able to interact with this particular group the outside group directly. You have to be there in your home, and you have using online platform for interacting its neighbors and friends. So that is what we can do. And in case of social needs, there are certain things like what we are seeing. You have to educate us to collect each and every individual students individually and interact via online platform. That's what we are seeing, what we have discussed in the previous slide. So encourage the students to connect via online platform to his friends. So that is what we can do right now. And another thing that is we can do is like this. Parents can stay connected with the children. This time, high stress from the part of students. There will be a high stress and anxiety of kids and parents. So, of course, it is going to happen. What exactly going to happen after this coronavirus pandemic? So that is why there will be part of the parents. There will be high stress time period and free resources that you can use for the academic purpose of your. So that is another thing. So moving to the social needs, I just mentioned all these things, just the summary of the previous one. And regarding the social needs, students can support for society and the welfare of the entire nation. So feel something good to say about the students. They can do some sort of creative activity. They can publish that things via online platform. So that will be more that is important. So social activities we can do, but not fully engage with this society because corona is there. So you should be aware about the negative impact of corona and how it will be affected. So you can do some sort of social activities within this within that framework of this particular situation. So so another one is you're feeling that high stress situation is there. So maybe you as a teacher, you can have interact with your students, have a positive conversation with your child. Such online ideas that will be enhancing the confidence level of students to a great extent. So that is one of the things that you can do. So in case of family and friends, you can do some type of fun and positive types of activities within your home. So we can do the activities virtually only. There is I'm not supporting about what you can do in direct interactive platforms. So during the self-actualization needs, once you have a child's needs at their level are met, the kinds are ready to engage in meaningful social work activity. So that is one of the things that is what we are giving right now. So continue to assign and work graduate with the students level and experience a success and not become frustrated. So they are giving a positive outcome to the success and don't be frustrated. So that is what we are seeing right now. So that is one of the important things that we're getting. And ensure online conferencing, there'll be things of live streaming situations and other assignments are manageable and achievable. So you can do some type of online conversations, discussions, and you can do some type of online assignments. So